Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's been turning heads and redefining expectations, the 2025 Toyota Camry. Now I know when you think of the Camry, you might picture reliability, comfort, and practicality, right? But this one, oh, it's so much more. Toyota has stepped up their game in ways that'll leave you absolutely amazed. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk design. The 2025 Camry doesn't just look good, it's a masterpiece of style and sophistication. Toyota has gone bold with sharp, angular lines and a front fascia that commands attention. That aggressive grille paired with sleek LED headlights is like the Camry is whispering, "Yeah, I'm still the practical choice." In the rear end, dual exhaust and dynamic taillights scream sporty elegance. Whether you're pulling up to the office or cruising on the open road, this car is making a statement. But it's not just about looks, folks. Slide inside and you're stepping into a world of luxury. The cabin has been completely reimagined to blend comfort with cutting-edge technology. Premium materials, a redesigned dashboard, and a panoramic sunroof that stretches overhead give it a vibe that rivals cars way above its price point. Oh, and that massive touchscreen in the center console? It's your command center with intuitive controls and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything is just where it should be, making the driving experience not just easy, but seriously enjoyable. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Toyota gives you choices. And who doesn't love options? You've got a punchy 2.5-liter four-cylinder for those who prioritize efficiency. But if you're looking for something with a little more thrill, there's a 3.5-liter V6 that'll put a grin on your face every time you hit the gas. Oh, and let's not forget the hybrid model, combining stellar fuel economy with a smooth and responsive drive. It's proof that you don't have to compromise to be eco-friendly. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or taking on a winding back road, the 2025 Camry adapts beautifully. And safety. Toyota hasn't just checked the boxes, they've rewritten the playbook. With Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, you're getting advanced driver assist features that feel like having a co-pilot by your side. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision systems, the works. It's like having a safety net around you, giving you confidence no matter where the journey takes you. But let's take a moment to appreciate how this car fits into your lifestyle. The 2025 Camry isn't just about getting you from point A to point B. It's about making the ride memorable. Families, solo drivers, commuters. There's something here for everyone. The spacious rear seats mean long trips are a breeze, while the generous trunk space can handle your luggage, groceries, or whatever life throws your way. And with its quiet, refined ride, you might just forget you're in a sedan and not a luxury cruiser. Let's not overlook the little things that make a big difference. Toyota has paid attention to the details, from ambient lighting that sets the mood to thoughtful storage solutions that keep everything tidy. It's those small touches that make you feel like this car was designed with you in mind. And the best part? The 2025 Camry offers all this at a price that won't break the bank. It's the kind of value that makes you sit back and think, how did Toyota manage to pack so much into this package? Whether you're upgrading from an older model or stepping into a Camry for the first time, you're getting a car that feels like it should cost way more than it does. So, what do you think? The 2025 Toyota Camry isn't just a car, it's a bold statement of what a sedan can be in today's world. It's stylish, powerful, tech-savvy, and safe, all wrapped up in a package that delivers exceptional value. Whether you're after a reliable daily driver, a family-friendly option, or just something that makes you look back every time you park it, the Camry delivers. If you're as impressed as I am, hit that like button and let me know your favorite feature in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.